Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your Google account or Chrome profile settings. This gives direct access to sync controls. Once there, tap or click Sync and Google Services to see what's currently syncing and which device is active. Make sure you have backups for bookmarks or passwords before turning anything off, because you will remove sync data from this device. If you use a work account, check with your admin first. Now proceed to disable sync options one by one. Now you stop the actual syncing. Turn off Sync Everything so you can control specific items. You should disable individual toggles for history, bookmarks, passwords, and extensions to prevent further transfer. Once you flip each switch, wait a few seconds to let the change sync to Google servers, then verify the setting persists. If you signed into Chrome with a Google account, choose Turn Off when prompted to stop syncing on this device. This will keep your local data unless you choose otherwise. Finish by signing out of the Google account on this device to prevent future automatic sync attempts. If you want to remove copies stored locally, clear browsing data, or choose Remove when asked about local profile data. This step ensures no synced items remain on the device. Once done, verify on another device or in account settings that sync is disabled. If syncing continues, try signing out everywhere and changing your account password as a troubleshooting tip. This forces device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.